Today we are going to talk about SheetXAI, an AI-powered tool that helps you automate Google Sheet tasks and work faster without manual effort. Many people spend hours updating spreadsheets, creating formulas, or processing the data, and it can feel repetitive and time-consuming. SheetXAI is designed to handle these tasks automatically using AI. So you can focus on analyzing data and making decisions instead of spending time on manual work. In this video, I will explain what SheetXAI is, how it works, who it is best for, and how the AppSumo lifetime deal fits into this tool. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and explore the simple tools and practical software that help businesses, freelancers, and creators to save time and work smarter. If this content helps you, make sure to subscribe this channel. Also, check the link in the description to explore SheetXAI with the available offers. By using the description link, any deal or benefit that will be applied automatically. So you don't need to use any code or do anything extra. Now let's come to the main part of the video. At its core, SheetXAI is built to automate the repetitive tasks in Google Sheets. Now instead of manually typing the formulas, filtering the data, or creating reports, you can use SheetXAI to handle these tasks for you. The idea is simple. You teach the AI what kind of work you usually do in your spreadsheets, and it automates the process while maintaining the accuracy. When you open the SheetXAI from the official site, the interface is clean and beginner friendly. You connect your Google account, you select the spreadsheet you want to automate, and you just define the tasks. For example, you can ask the SheetXAI to clean the data or fill the formulas, generate summaries, or even create the charts automatically. The AI reads your instructions and applies them to the sheet in real time. One of the most helpful parts of SheetXAI is that it reduces the errors. Manual spreadsheet works often leads to mistakes, especially when formulas or large datasets are involved. SheetXAI ensures the accuracy while saving a lot of time. You can also automate the tasks that previously took hours, turning them into a process that completes in minutes. SheetXAI is especially useful for business owners, analytics, freelancers, and anyone who regularly work with the data in Google Sheets. Instead of spending your day on repetitive tasks, you can focus on making insights, planning the strategies, or working on other important projects. This makes it a powerful tool for productivity and efficiency. Another important feature is how intuitive it is to use. You do not need to know advanced spreadsheet formulas or coding. You provide the instruction in simple language and SheetXAI interprets them. This makes beginner friendly even for the people who are not technical but still need to work with data. Now let's talk about the AppSumo deal in a simple way. SheetXAI is available on AppSumo as a lifetime deal, which means you pay once and get long-term access to the platform. This is helpful for users who want ongoing access without recurring monthly fees. The first AppSumo tier is usually suitable for beginners or small projects. It allows you to automate a limited number of sheets and tasks, which is enough if you are just testing the tool or working with one main spreadsheet. The next tier provides more flexibility. You can automate more sheets, you can use more advanced AI features, and handle the larger datasets. The tier works well for freelancers, small business owners, or anyone who manages multiple spreadsheets regularly. Higher tiers plans are designed for the advanced user or teams. These plans support more spreadsheets, higher task limits, and more advanced integrations. If you work with large datasets, multiple clients, or collaborative projects, these tiers give the more control and scalability. If you already want to save hours on Google Sheet tasks and improve the accuracy, checking the AppSumo deal through the description link can be very useful. You just select the tiers that matches your needs and the offer will be applied automatically without any code or extra steps. So overall, SheetXAI is a practical tool for automating spreadsheet work with AI. It helps reduce repetitive tasks, improves accuracy, and lets you focus on the important parts of your work instead of manual data processing. So that was the video about SheetXAI and the AppSumo lifetime deal. If you found this video helpful, give this video a like, and subscribe this channel for more simple videos like this. And thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.